seat belts and all the other standard equipment plus California emission, tilt steering wheel, heavy-duty battery, electric defroster, and automatic transmission.
The first number and the price of that car is right there, the second there, the third there, and the fourth there, and we'll talk about those numbers a little later. Right now, I want to talk about the fact that I have a typewriter for you, don't I, John?
Indeed so, Bob. The Smith Corona Super Correct Electric Portable Typewriter lets you correct errors quickly and neatly with its easy-to-use keyboard corrector from Smith Corona.
The price is $370, meaning that a 3, a 7, or a 0 is the first digit in the price of the car. Number 7. I can't believe you're not right. Now, John, what do we have here?
We have Mr. Meat Smoker, an outdoor cooker for smoking delicious meats, fish, fowl, and wild game in your very own backyard from Smoker Products.
And we have a price tag of $85, meaning that an 8 or a 5 is the next number in the price of the car. Number 5. Would you light up that 5? There we are. Okay, have something else coming. Oh, not something else. We have a whole lot of things. Oh, yes, even Dawn is going ooh here. John, what is this?
No more burned kettles or sauces, Bob. Transduct's exciting new see-through glass cookware makes even gourmet cooking easy. Stovetop and oven safe from Transduct International.
And price of $424. Do you want a 4 or a 2 is the next number in the price of the car?
2.
Number 2 for her, please. Okay, and I do believe we have a television set, don't we, John?
Yes, we do. It's Samsung's 19-inch color TV with full-function remote control, quality, technology, and service in fine electronics from Samsung.
And the price is $500. Now, what do you want, a 5 or a 0? 0! You have a price of $7,520. You took the numbers from these price tags. Do you wish to make any changes or leave it alone? She's going to leave it alone. I have presented you with very nice gifts here, Dawn. $1,379 in price. Do you want to take those 4 gifts and leave, knowing that you have $1,379 in prizes, or do you want to try to win that car, knowing that if you made even one mistake in the price of the car, that you lose the gifts and you don't win the car? She's going to go for the car, ladies and gentlemen. First number in the price of the car, 7. Second number in the price of the car, 8. 4, 5. Well, you got one number right, Dawn. Thank you. That happened the other day. Bye-bye. We're going to try to get back to the wooden track after we do this.